Hey friends, a lot of users have been asking how they could contact Microsoft support by chat, email, or phone. So I'll guide you through the process. First of all, open the Edge browser preferably and go to the link that I have shared in the description section of the video. Now click on sign in. The reason I said Edge is because it has this auto sign in option. So sign in, and now it says you will be able to get support faster. So does it have any support where you can contact on a phone number or not? Actually not, but yes, you can access their forums, and then you can click on this business assist option, and then you can also check through the options here. Okay, I'll click on it once again. Get home support. Okay, first of all it will ask you questions on how the issues that you are facing. Okay, it will try to help you with the answers, and if you don't get any answer at the end of the day, then it will also give you more options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.